UPSC Engineering Service Examination 2022 notification is out. Today is 22nd of September 2021. For the year 2022 Engineering Service Examination notification is out, and this is a very prestigious post for all the engineers. And the online application date starts from 22nd of September and ends on 12th of October 2021 till 6 p.m. You can apply through the official website. The preliminary stage 1 examination will be conducted on 20th of February 2022. Prelims stage 1 examination. There will be 3 stages of examination: preliminary, mains and personality test, that is interview. And these are the requisite civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering. So these are the different respective branches who can apply for this post. So the total of approximately 247 vacancies put together, all these civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, 247 vacancies are available, and also 8 vacancies for the PWD and 6 vacancies for locomotor disability including leprosy. So put together 247 plus this 8 plus 6 and 2 vacancies. The number of branches who are eligible is civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication engineering. So these are the Group A services for different vacancies of civil engineering. Group A services. I'm just skimming. You can go through the notification in detail if you belong to the respective branches of civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics and telecommunication. And these are the centers for examination, for that is preliminary examination centers. These are the main examination centers. And eligibility conditions, the major criteria for this eligibility is age limit. Age limit is 21 years is the minimum age limit and 30 years is the maximum age limit. So in order to apply for this post, a candidate must not have attained 30 years, that is 1st January 2022, that is he or she must have been born not earlier than 2nd January 1992 and not later than 1st January 2001. So the upper age limit is 30 years, and there will be relaxation for 35 years in case of government servants. So this is regarding the eligibility age criteria. They should be Indian national in order to apply for this prestigious post, and also a citizen of India subject to Nepal or Bhutan. So this is the age criteria and also some of the criterias. And now let's see what are the details which are required. For minimum education qualification is a degree in engineering from respective university, and the application fee for different categories: for unreserved OBC candidates 200 rupees, 200 rupees to be paid for unreserved and OBC candidates. And remember, female SC/ST, female candidates, SC candidates, ST candidates, PWD are exempted for paying any fees. So this is regarding the fee criteria. You can apply online via www.upsconline.nic.in. So these are the exact dates. The last date to be filled. So last date for the submission and withdrawal of application is 12th October 2021 till 6 p.m. and after that link will be disabled. So the online application can be withdrawn from 20 October 2021 to 26 October 2021 till 6 p.m. So if you want to withdraw the application, these are the details, these are the dates you can withdraw your application. In case if you feel that I cannot give this examination, you can withdraw before the requisite time. So these are the list of services of the post suitable for the different persons. For civil engineering, central engineering services, Indian defense services, central water. These are the Group A post. Central Engineering Services, AEE, Border Roads, Military Engineering Services. So these are different respective branch wise. For Mechanical Engineering, Central Water Engineering, Central Power Engineering, Indian Naval Armament Services, Indian Naval Material Management Services, Geological Survey of India Services, Indian Defence Services, Assistant Executive Engineer, Electrical Mechanical, Border Roads Engineering Services, Indian Skill Development. For electrical, the requisite departments are the respective departments are Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Services, Central Power Engineering Services, both Group A and Group B, Indian Defence Service Engineers, and Indian Naval Material Management, Indian Skill Development Services. For Electronics Engineering and Telecommunication Engineering, these are the respective departments: Indian Naval Radio Regulatory Services, Indian Naval Material Management, Indian Telecom Services, Junior Telecom Officers Group B, ITS. This is a Group B post, ITS, and Central Power Engineering Services Group A and Group B, Indian Skill Development Services. So these are the respective departments where you will be posted after selection. And now we'll see what is the exact criteria of examination and how it will be conducted. So phase 1 examination will be preliminary, that will be of objective type, and it will be on OMR. And phase 2 will be mains, that is stage 2 examination, after that which will be of conventional paper, and then followed by personality test. And preliminary examination will be of 500 marks, both paper 1 and paper 2. It will be 1 day. Paper 1 will be 200 marks, paper 2 will be 300 marks. So the preliminary examination will be paper 1 is of 2 hours, that is morning, 200 marks, and paper 2 will be 3 hours for different disciplines: civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics. 3 hours. Paper 2 will be of 300 marks of 3 hours, put together 500 marks. So this will be preliminary examination. If you just qualify preliminary examination, then you will be called for mains examination. The mains examination will be on 1 day, that is both morning and afternoon. Paper 1 will be of 3 hours, 300 marks, and paper 2 will be of 3 hours, 300 marks, total 600 marks. And this is the conventional paper. This is a descriptive examination, phase 2, and then followed by personality test of 200 marks. So this is the regarding examination criteria and also details of Union Public Service Commission. And remember, the last date to submit of online application is 12/10/2021. So if you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you. Have a great day.